Whoa, hey there YouTube, what's going on? I usually don't do intros like this, but let me tell you something. You're gonna really want to watch this video for two reasons. One, we'll FPV flying. Two, I'm gonna fly this quadcopter through this Hula, but what you don't know, and what you'll soon find out, is the carnage that I'm about to unleash on an actual drone.
I got the Luke goggles. Oh man, it's turning. I won't be able to do it.
Actually, just leave it right where it's at. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh! Okay, oh! Did it go in? Oh, I'm like trying to time it like just right. Oh. Alright, these props are going to be very upset with me by the end of this. Probably that GoPro. Alright, here we go. Oh, missed it. Alright, I got you. Oh man. Damn it. Down? Oh yeah, I got tangled up. I brought this thing down. Oh man, this poor drone. I'd say she deserved better, but yeah, still. My money's worth out of it. This little stunt. I can re-glue the leg or get new landing gear for it. I know parts exist, I just gotta find them. Prop is broken, and it would definitely appear that the camera gimbal busted, but I'm pretty sure those are just a couple of screws that come out. So all in all, very repairable. My quad over there got tangled up in the rope due to pilot error. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this was entertaining.
You have problems, you know that?